Introducing Hirose's TB4 Series, a compact, two-piece FPC FFC-to-board connector featuring a 1.0mm pitch and center lock design. Built to meet the rigorous demands of the automotive industry, the TB4 ensures performance, reliability, and safety in every connection. Key features of the TB4 series include a two-piece FPC-FFC connection that simplifies assembly and minimizes size and weight, high reliability with vibration and heat resistance, compliant with US CAR 2 standards, two-point contact design for enhanced contact reliability. A safe design prevents electric shock and mis-insertion, providing added protection during handling. And it supports two key code types, black and gray, for secure and error-free connections. Ideal for automotive applications, the TB4 series is perfect for systems requiring compact, reliable, and high-performance connectivity, such as infotainment systems, HMI interfaces, and other automotive electronics. Stay ahead of the curve with the TB4 series connector. For deeper insights, visit and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Hirose Electric, Connecting the Future.